Let's cover what to do if you wish to remove a third-party application from your Ring account. To remove the third-party app from your account, click the menu icon in the top left corner and select Apps from the navigation menu. This will bring up the My Apps page, select the app you wish to remove, then click Remove, displayed in red at the bottom of the page. If you have an active subscription, you will first need to cancel the third-party app subscription. If you are on a trial or free app, you can delete the integration directly by clicking Remove. Important: removing an app permanently revokes its access to your Ring devices. The third-party service will no longer receive any data from your account, but may still have access to data that you have already shared. If you only want to temporarily pause access, click on Device Access and select the Pause Access for All option to pause device activity instead of removing the app entirely. For additional information, refer to the Ring Help articles at ring.com/support.